Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Remove the pre-installed connector by rotating the connector 180 degrees. Push down on the connector until it releases from the rivet pin, then slide it out. Align the slot on the underside of the P5 connector with the riveted pin and the mounting base of the wiper blade. Snap the connector assembly onto the wiper blade mounting rivet pin. Slide the opening of the connector to arm until you see or hear the locking tab engage. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It is always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Locate the locking tab at the center of the arm. Pull the tab out and slide the connector to completely remove the blade from the arm.